Remember when love was all that mattered? I do remember how I used.
Hey guys, it's Vishal and you're watching Half-Life. Today I'm going to talk about a few tricks which you can be doing on your Insta stories and make them look more attractive. So let's get started.
I can no longer touch. You're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might.
Let's start off with simple stuff that not many people know about. 1. Are you feeling limited with the color options given to you? Well, tap and hold on one of the colors, which will pull out an RGB palette, allowing you to choose any color you can think of. 2. Are you spending loads of time coloring the whole screen to a specific color? Just choose a color and tap and hold on to the screen. Boom, it's done. 3. How to use rainbow text. You might have seen this feature on Snapchat, but Instagram does not offer this. Well, you can create it on your own. You don't really have to sit and change the color of every letter one by one. Instead, you can do this. Type anything you want to post, then click and hold on one of the colors. This brings out the RGB palette. Now use two hands and drag simultaneously, which will give you this effect. It seems hard at first, but you will get it eventually.
You're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be.
4. This is really simple yet a mind-blowing trick. 3D text. So choose a font like Strong, type something. Once you're done, now type the exact same thing but with a different color. Now align them. Mind-blowing, right? But be sure these are the exact same size so it looks well made. Moving on to trick number 5. Overlay. This is just like magic up here, where you erase the layer above to reveal the layer below. It's simple. Choose your background post, then select a color you want to fill the screen with. Next, click and hold on anywhere on the screen. This will fill the screen with that color. Now use the eraser tool and draw anything. Here's the end result. Trick number 6. Revine. One of the most underrated features on Insta. All you need to do is record a clip normally and it gets reversed when you use the Revine tool. This is especially useful when you're trying to reveal or show a product. You can make an illusion as though you have powers and you're gonna summon the product. This is really fun to mess around with and I need you guys to try it out more. So those were a few tricks I learned and I hope you did too. If you liked the video, comment down below so I can make more such content. With that said, see you soon. This is Half-Life.